What if I told you that scattered across our planet are clues so obvious, so massive, that we've been staring at proof of alien contact for thousands of years? Let's start in Peru, 1927. Archaeologist Toribio Mejia climbs a hill and discovers something impossible. Lines, massive lines carved into the desert floor. But here's the kicker. You can only see what they really are from the sky. The Nazca people created over 800 straight lines and 300 geometric shapes between 500 BC and 500 AD. But get this, they had no way to fly, no way to see their own work. So why did they spend centuries creating artwork for an audience they couldn't reach? Jump to Egypt, 2580 BC, the Great Pyramid of Giza, built with 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing up to 15 tons. The precision is insane, aligned perfectly with magnetic north, built to mathematical perfection that we struggle to match today. But here's what blew my mind. Ancient Egyptian texts describe the gods who came from the stars with detailed accounts of flying vehicles called solar boats. Coincidence? Maybe. But wait, there's more. Stonehenge, England. 3100 BC. These aren't just random rocks. Each stone was quarried 150 miles away and transported using technology that shouldn't have existed. The acoustic properties our perfect voices carry exactly 163 feet. The same frequency used by modern radio telescopes to search for extraterrestrial life. The Druids called it the place where Earth meets sky. But recent discoveries show Stonehenge perfectly aligns with not just our sun and moon, but with star systems that were invisible to the naked eye back then. Easter Island, 1200 AD. 0.900 massive stone heads, each weighing 14 tons, staring into space. But the mystery isn't just how they move them, it's what they're looking at. Every single statue faces the exact same direction, away from the island, toward the stars. The Rapa Nui people had no written language, but they left us one message carved in stone. The visitors from the sky will return. Ancient India, 1500 BC. The Sanskrit text Vimana Shastra doesn't just describe flying vehicles, it gives detailed technical specifications. Mercury engines, anti-gravity technology, weapons that sound suspiciously like laser guidance systems. But here's the crazy part. Indian texts describe aerial battles between gods using swift as thought-flying machines. Sound familiar? Mesopotamia, 4000 BC. The Sumerian tablets don't just mention gods, they name them. The Anunnaki, those who from heaven to earth came. They describe these beings teaching humans mathematics, astronomy, and agriculture. Basically, jump-starting human civilization overnight. King Gilgamesh's epic doesn't just mention immortal beings, it describes them traveling between worlds using sky chambers. The Sumerians had detailed knowledge of planets they couldn't see, and star systems they couldn't reach. Now, here's where it gets really weird. All these civilizations, separated by thousands of miles and thousands of years, tell the same story. Beings from the sky, advanced technology, sudden leaps in human knowledge. But the smoking gun. Every single one of these ancient sites sits on ley lines, invisible energy grids that crisscross our planet. Places where the Earth's magnetic field is strongest. Perfect landing spots for craft sensitive to electromagnetic fields. Modern archaeologists call it coincidence. But when you map these locations, they form a perfect geometric pattern around the globe. Too perfect for chance. So here's the million-dollar question. If these are just ancient fairy tales, why do our modern UFO sightings cluster around the exact same locations? Why do these ancient mythical sites still experience the highest levels of unexplained aerial phenomena today? Maybe our ancestors weren't telling stories. Maybe they were leaving us a map showing us exactly where to look for the evidence we've been ignoring for thousands of years. The question isn't whether aliens visited Earth. The question is, why did they leave, and when are they coming back?